Hello, Jeremy here from 3D Infotech with another quick tip for you. In my last video, I showed you how to interrogate data by showing which data points are used for your feature measurement. If further interrogation is required, I can always review the list of data points that is used for this measurement. If you're using PolyWorks 2023 or older, I'll select the feature in my tree, right mouse, edit measured points. If I'm using PolyWorks 2024 or newer and using the ribbon menu, I'll still select the object in my tree, right mouse, data points. A new window will display, and you'll see a list of all the data points, their coordinates, and how they deviate from the measured feature. I can sort all these points based on index number, deviation values, coordinates, and in this case, after reviewing the deviations, if I see any outlying data points, I can always uncheck that data point and it'll be removed from the feature. If I want to remove multiple, I can select the multiple, right mouse, ignore. And based on this updated list that now excludes these data points, you now see how all of the remaining data points deviate from the measured feature. If I want to confirm this adjustment, I'll press Apply, OK, and now take a look at my new flatness. Since I intentionally removed some data points, you'll now see my flatness did improve. I hope this feature helps you with interrogating your measurements. Thank you for watching.